So this is my 91 Supra. It's got the 2jzgte swap, the non-VVTi swap, and I'll just show you. It's got a Turbonetics T70 single upgrade. The whole engine's still stock. Obviously you can see the radiator has been upgraded. You can't see the intercooler, but it's huge. You know, all the piping, the exhaust that's on it is 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch all the way back, no cat. It's got a resonator and a MagnaFlow muffler. It sounds wicked clean. This thing, obviously everybody knows what they sound like, just stock, so it's nice. I do have a 4-inch exhaust. I need to get a downpipe for that, and I'm thinking about running the 4-inch. But as far as the car, you know, I'm still doing some work on it. Gotta fix the brakes, get those squared away, because this car as it sits is untuned, pushing about 16 psi on the stock fuel system. Guessing around 400 horsepower, give or take. This thing cranks. Right now it's like 25 degrees outside, so I'm not sure I want to start the car right now or not. But I mean, the motor runs smooth like it should. I just keep the bolts out because the car hasn't been going anywhere. But you can see the gates, got a Gates Racing timing belt, that's been done. Water pump's been done. Power steering pump. So a lot of essential shit. You know, it's got silicone radiator hoses. The brake master, all that stuff, everything's good on the car. I gotta actually fix a pinion seal in the rear end, but the drivetrain's strong. The clutch needs to be upgraded because the disc is just like a crapola disc, and it's got an aftermarket pressure plate with the stock flywheel, but you know, it doesn't slip or anything. It just eventually here, when I get the fueling done and all that, it's just gonna have to be upgraded. But I gotta get us another set of wheel and tire for the car. It needs wider meats in the back. This thing is just fighting for traction. But I'll do a quick little start up again. mean, it just takes a minute when it's this cold for the thing to get warmed up. Right now it's still not. This thing's still not even close to being warm. I can put my hand right on the exhaust. But I mean, it sounds fantastic, even cold. You can hear 2jz. Right now, most of that noise you're hearing is just injector noise. And it's nothing. This thing's quiet. You can see I got the electric fans. So there's the intercooler down there. It's in pretty good shape. Got the Evo chilling. I need wheels, like I said. It's a non-target top, but it's got a sunroof, which is alright. So that's my t70 2jz. This spring, you know, I'm going to do some fueling. Right now it's not even February, so the car's just sitting here. Can't do much with it. Cold as shit. But check back. We'll have some more videos up when the weather's better. Actually bring this thing for a ride, show you guys what it's like. Thanks for watching.